And Arsenal FC, my club.
Majority of Arsenal fans are saying that we are going to park the bus. We are going to park the bus. If Arsenal will park the bus in the second leg,
it's going to be
it's going to be hard for them, because if you allow Real Madrid to possess the ball, to use the counter attack, they will kill you.
You can't park the bus for 90 minutes because you need to be super concentrated, and that's not possible. And one way or another, they'll find the back of it. But what I like about Arsenal is the fact that under Arteta, they're also very good at the dark arts. Even with their quality, I don't see how Real Madrid are going to mount a comeback. Unless it's like PSG in 2017 with Barcelona.
It might happen. What if Real Madrid, they score 2 goals in first half?
I don't see Arsenal winning that game, but it's likely going to end a draw.
Real Madrid, to me, Real Madrid will win 2-0.
2-0.
Yeah, 2-0.
But that means Arsenal will qualify.
But Arsenal will qualify. Yeah?